happiness and gratitude fill our hearts when we think of our alma mater. Gratitude we feel must be expressed. Corps Global have joined to build a platform to share their experiences and expertise, not only to the students of Corps Trivandrum, but to all the pharmacy students in the state of Kerala. It is also planned to contribute to student support measures like mentorship programs and placements for the students of government pharmacy colleges, as well as for the mobilization of resources for Corps Trivandrum. With this initiative, we hope to motivate and inspire, and also instill a sense of pride and confidence in students to sail forward towards a successful career. With the belief that everyone will be happy to be a part of this journey, we begin our inauguration by invoking the blessings of Lord Almighty. May I invite Ms. Ritika Suresh, the third semester B.Pharm student of COPS Alapura for prayers. Ritika,
Hello,
unmute.
yes, sir.
Ah,
Am I audible?
yes.
നന്മയാകുന്ന കാന്തി കാണുവാൻ കണ്ണിനാകേണമേ നല്ല വാക്കിന്റെ ശീലു ചൊല്ലുവാൻ നാവിനാകേണമേ സ്നേഹമാകുന്ന ഗീതമോ എന്റെ കാതിലിണയാകണേ സത്യത്തിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ശീലമോടിന ശാന്തിയറിയണമേ ആ
Thank you, Ritika. Thank you. Now, to welcome the gathering, may I invite Dr. Sony Paulos, President, COPS Global. He is an alumnus of COPS and graduated B.Pharm during 1992-96 and M.Pharm in 1997-1999. He also graduated PharmD from University of Florida, USA. Dr. Sony Paulos is a practicing community pharmacist for the last 18 years and also owns Sherman IDA Pharmacy, Hamilton, Canada. He is also serving as a clinical preceptor for PharmD program at the University of Toronto and University of Waterloo. Over to you, Dr. Sony Paulos.
Thank you so much, Ranjish, and thank you, Ritika. And my dear friends. We are really thrilled and excited to launch our first webinar in this series. We're humbled by the support and enthusiasm from the pharmacy community, especially from Kerala. And today I understand that there is more than 1,000 registrations, so which is incredible. There's an incredible amount of time and planning and discussions happen behind the scenes. And I would like to take a moment to thank each and everyone who put their time, effort, and skills to make this even happen. As we all know, our alumnus are shining stars and leaders in pharma field and in all over the world. This effort is to connect these world leaders and share their knowledge and wisdom to students and upcoming pharmacists in Kerala. The field of pharmacy is changing, as you all know. Scope of pharmacies are keep changing. Now we play an integral role in healthcare, pharmaceutical industry, research, academia, and so on. Today, we have an awesome speaker, Mr. Samish Menon, who can take you to the world of pharma marketing, its challenges and opportunities. I would like to welcome each and everyone to this webinar and future webinars, and I'm sure that you will all benefit from this. And I'm not taking much more time. We have a pretty packed agenda today. So thanks again, everyone, and happy Teachers' Day to all our beloved teachers. Thank you. Over to Ranjish.
Thank you, Dr. Soni Paulus. Now, to brief about the objectives and the future plans of Corps Global, may I call upon Mr. Thomas Paul, General Secretary, Corps Global. Thomas Paul completed his B.Pharm in 1996 and M.Pharm in 1998. He was the General Secretary of KBSA in the Silver Jubilee year and was also the founding member of the Kerala M.Pharm Students Forum and served as its first General Secretary. Presently, he is the Director, Tops Pharmacy, United Kingdom. Over to you, sir. Sir, please unmute yourself, sir. Please unmute yourself. Thomas, sir.
Thanks, Ranjish.
Okay, you're audible now. Thank you.
Respected dignitaries, teachers, students, and Corps Global members. Great to join you all here on this auspicious day. Happy Teachers' Day. It is history in the making here. We have a large audience watching this program on Zoom, Facebook, and YouTube Live. Regarding Corps Global, before that, hearty welcome again to all members, all the members of Corps Global, once again, and thanks again for meeting on this auspicious day. Corps Global, we are a group of pharmacy professionals from all across the globe. Yeah, we are a group of pharmacy professionals from all across the globe working in different sectors of pharmacy. Many of us were active in student associations in our student days and have not been able to meet since those glorious days of our college lives. But we have regular meetings and discussions using the online platform. When we thought of doing something worthwhile to give back to the pharmacy profession in Kerala, we had no hesitation to decide to focus on the student community. We hope this international webinar series will help the students in shaping their careers. We need your help as well in this. We request your honest feedback and suggestions.
Hello.
Is it okay?
May I request all the audience to keep their mic muted, please?
Right. We request your help of all students as well by giving your honest feedback and suggestions. We will intensely analyze all this feedback and will make changes accordingly. Corps Global may consider other projects in the future as well, which is in the common interest of pharmacy profession in Kerala. We look forward to working with others in reaching that goal. For all this, Corps Global need your help and support. Currently, we have some representatives working for Corps Global in some of our institutions. We would like to have a Corps Global representative in each of the teaching institutions in Kerala. Currently, we have assistant professors Pramod in Medical College Trivandrum, Ranjish in Medical College Alapi, Sijo in Medical College Kottayam, Manoj in Medical College Kozhikode, and our convener Professor Prashant in Al Shifa College of Pharmacy, Perindalmanna. So we request any faculty member who can spare a part of their valuable time for Corps Global to come forward and support this initiative. Only together we can keep this initiative moving forward. One thing we can assure you is we will have students at the heart of everything we do, because we believe in you and you are the future. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Thomas Paul, sir. Now, we are moving to the inaugural ceremony. We are indeed blessed to have our distinguished teacher, Professor A.K. Chandrasekharan sir, to inaugurate the Pharma Fair webinar series, a guiding light for the next generation pharma professionals. Chandrasekharan sir needs no introduction. He is an inspiring teacher. He was the head of the College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Trivandrum, from 1995 to 2000. May I invite Chandran sir to please inaugurate this webinar series and also to deliver the inaugural address. Over to you, Chandran sir.
It's a proud moment for me to be amongst all of you as a teacher, because when I joined in 1970, we have started the B.Pharm course. It was only 1 or 2 rooms were there. Now we have grown up so much, and our students are all over the world. And I am very proud to be a teacher of them. I served in up to 2000. We have tried to develop the college in our times as fast as possible with any other colleges in the India, and I hope our efforts have made some fruitfulness, because we have found that our students are all over and they are doing well in all the fields. Of course, the direction of pharmacy or the orientation of pharmacy has been changed during the last so many years, and coming to now it is the time for the clinical pharmacy and all the clinical settings. So when we started, it was mostly industrial, and time changes were there. We have also started in our college a very modern college by trying to get clinical practice and clinical training. All these things all of you know how we have grown. And in all these efforts, the support of the students have been immense, because first, initially, the college was part of pharmacology department. So by the effort of the first batch of students only, we got a separate department. We were initially was a part of pharmacology department of medical college. So the students fought all those things: a separate college, a separate building, separate department, and everything. And I should also say, the KSDP was also initiated or by the effort of the students, by the students' associations of College of Pharmaceutical Sciences. They have made a lot of contribution to the development of the college, and now it is well flourished one. I'm very happy for it. And I am also very happy to note that only when Dilip called me, I knew about this effort to connect all the students abroad, all the alumni abroad, and start a new movement. Their focus is on the students of B.Pharm or M.Pharm in all the colleges. So that is a very good suggestion. I hope the new generation will be greatly benefited. Of course, the COVID has brought a good effort, fruitful opportunity for us for conducting such type of webinars, seminars, etc., and meeting there, because many of you I have not met for many years. I can actually see all of you because of these platforms, virtual platforms. So I am very happy for that, and I wish the organization and the effort. All the best for the future. Thank you. I inaugurate this group and this function and everything. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Chandran sir. We are really happy to hear you on this Teachers' Day. Once again, on behalf of all the members here, I wish a happy Teachers' Day to you. Thank you, sir, for this inspiring words. I'm sure that those words of wisdom will always guide us in our future endeavors. Thank you. Next, may I call upon Dr. Sia Sudhakaran Nair, sir, former head College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Trivandrum. Sir was also the alumnus of our college. In fact, he was a second batch student of BPharm. He joined the medical education service in 1973. And he was the first alumnus to head our college. Dr. Sudharan sir served as the head of the department for over 7 years from 2000 to 2007. Our college had witnessed many academic and infrastructural developments during his tenure as the head of the department. We are indeed blessed to have your presence today. We look forward to hear from you, sir. Sudharan sir.
Thank you, Ranjesh. Respected Professor Chandrasekharan sir, Dr. Joy Amma, Dr. Dilip, Dr. Sony Paulus, Dr. Sameesh Menon, Mr. Ranjesh, Dr. Rajasri, Mr. Jayan Philip, Dr. Prasant, pharmacy professionals, teachers, and dear students. I am very happy to see that the organizers and its alumni of CPS have taken the task of organizing a series of webinars on current trends in pharmaceutical sciences for the benefit of the budding professionals and students. The inaugural day is very special since this day is celebrated as the National Teachers' Day. A teacher should be a facilitator, mentor, and guide to the students. The student has to acquire knowledge and apply this according to the circumstances. Webinar is one of the modes to acquire and update knowledge. Updating knowledge is important in order to be in the forefront of the profession. Dr. Sameesh Menon is giving a talk on careers and opportunities in sales and marketing in this webinar. He has got vast experience in this area, and I am sure all of us will benefit from his talk. I wish the program all success and thank the organizers for giving me an opportunity to be with you today. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Sir, we are really fortunate to hear from you on this Teachers' Day. On behalf of all the Copsians, we wish you a happy Teachers' Day. And I'm sure that your inspiring words will guide us in our future endeavors. Next, we were supposed to have a felicitation by Dr. Joyma Madam, Professor and Head, College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Trivandrum. But due to certain unavoidable family engagements, she has expressed her inability to join with us today evening. Anyway, in her absence, she has asked to convey her best wishes for today's as well as for all the future programs of COPS Global. Thank you very much, Madam, for your encouragement and constant support. Now, next, may I invite Dr. Rajasri R.S., Professor of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Government TD Medical College, Alappuzha, to felicitate the gathering. Dr. Rajasri R.S. is also presently serving as the Dean, Faculty of Pharmacy, Kerala University of Health Sciences, Thrissur. She had graduated from Corps Trivandrum, her B.Pharm in 1986 and M.Pharm in 1993. She was awarded PhD from MG University and had also served as chairperson, Board of Studies, UG, Kerala University of Health Sciences, Thrissur. Madam, over to you, madam.
Thank you, Ranjesh, for your nice words of introduction. President of Corps Global, Dr. Soni Paulos, my most respected teachers, Professor A.K. Chandrasekhar Nair sir, Dr. C.R. Sudhakaran Nair sir, and all other dignitaries present here today. It's my privilege to be here to wish great success to the entire team behind the international webinar series Pharma Fair. As a proud alumni of Corps Thiruvananthapuram, I am happy to be the part of this event. When we think about our alma mater, which helped us to reach our full potential, we are filled with feelings of pride, satisfaction, and appreciation. I'm happy that the alumni of College of Pharmaceutical Sciences Thiruvananthapuram has taken the initiative to create Corps Global, which aims in the enrichment of pharma professionals throughout the world. First of all, I wish all enthusiastic pharma graduates from Corps Government Medical College Thiruvananthapuram for building a common platform for the budding pharma professionals. In addition, I really appreciate them for organizing this webinar. When it comes to the Pharma Fair, the international webinar series, which include different interesting sessions by experts from different sectors, I am sure that it will definitely be a guiding light for next generation pharma professionals. I wish good luck to every partaker of this webinar. I wish success to all resource persons who are presenting in this webinar series. Let me conclude by wishing all the participants very pleasant, fruitful, and brainstorming experience in this event of learning. Teachers' Day wishes to all our respected teachers for your effort in making us successful in our life. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajashree madam, for those wonderful words. Next, may I call upon Mr. Jayan PM, Deputy Drugs Controller, Kerala, to felicitate the gathering. Jayan sir did his graduation from Corps Trivandrum during 1984-88. He has done M.Pharm in Regulatory Affairs from JSS University. He joined Drugs Control Department in 1993 as Drugs Inspector and subsequently promoted as a Regional Drugs Inspector and Assistant Drugs Controller. Presently, he is working as Deputy Drugs Controller in Thiruvananthapuram. Sir, over to you.
Thank you, Rajesh, for your nice introduction. Is I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
yes.
you're audible, sir. Thank you.
Good evening to all. Dr. Soni Paulos, President Corps Global, Shri A.K. Chandrasekharan sir, Mr. Thomas Fall, General Secretary Corps Global, Shri Rajesh, Dr. Dilip KJ, Sudhakaran Nair sir, and other dignitaries present to felicitate this auspicious function. Fellow pharmacists attending this function and my dear friends. First of all, I express my sincere gratitude to organizers of Corps Global for giving me an opportunity to address this webinar. In the evening of the Teachers' Day, I extend my salute to all my teachers who taught me lessons, especially Chandran sir and Sudhakaran Nair sir, who present in this evening to bless this occasion. I am proud to be an alumni of CPS, an institution started in the late 60s and one of the pioneer institutions imparting pharmacy education in Kerala. Today, alumni of CPS can be seen anywhere in the world, either working or doing their higher studies. The alumni of CPS, that is Corps Global, had started a series of international pharma seminars for pharmacy graduates and students. I take this opportunity to appreciate the leaders of Corps Global for organizing a webinar series for educating pharmacy graduates and students. The most of the topics selected for the webinar are relevant in the present scenario. The pharmacy profession and concept of pharmaceutical care are evolving rapidly over the world. The responsibility of pharmacists in promoting rational and sensible use of medicine is also increasing. As a member of a regulatory fraternity, I would like to remind something to the pharmacy fraternity in our state. In our country, after the introduction of the enactment of Medical Devices Rule 2017, a lot of medical devices units had started functioning. Unfortunately, in Kerala, only a few units had started. Many number of such units are pipelining also. States like Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, and Haryana had allotted special incentives and special zones for medical devices parts. Unfortunately, graduate pharmacists from our state are not coming forward for the employment in such units. Only persons having engineering background are now employed with this unit. The medical devices rule specifies a mandatory requirement of pharmacy or an engineering graduate for a device unit. In future, a lot of career opportunities will arise in this field, and pharmacy graduates can find a career in this area. Another gray area found is with the field of regulatory affairs. As you know, our country is one of the major pharma producers in the world. Our country had exported nearly drugs worth 24 billion US dollars in the last financial year. Our export to formulations to nearly 200 countries. We are expecting exporting formulations to both regulated and non-regulated countries. The export of drugs require a strong regulatory department with the manufacturer. Most of the multinational companies resources the services of pharmacy graduates with updated knowledge of regulations in other countries for their regulatory works. In this field also, pharmacy graduates from our state is not choosing as a livelihood. I'm not extending my words. I once again wish all success for the webinar series organized by the COPS Global. Thank you.
Jayan sir, thank you very much for those words of advice. Definitely, the young students will consider your advice while choosing their profession. And we also wish you best wishes for your upcoming appointment. We eagerly wish to see you in this platform more often. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you.
Now, may I call upon Dr. Prashant SS, the convener of this COPS Global. He is the main driving force who was behind arranging all these sessions. Prashant sir is currently working as the assistant professor of pharmaceutical analysis, Al Shifa College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Malappuram. Sir, over to you.
Very good evening to everyone present here, and I would like to thank all of you for joining me here at the Pharma Fair International Webinar Series organized by COPS Global. You all know, one benefit we had from this COVID pandemic is that several conferences and webinars are now happening online, and it has become accessible to a much wider proportion of people. I am a proud student of the College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, and I am so glad that today my COPS friends are organizing this webinar series. The major outcome is expected of this method is to shape the budding pharmacist and to come up with the national and international framework for the future education system. As you all know, today is an auspicious day, that is Teachers' Day, and it makes me immense proud to say that I am along with my teachers, and with their blessings, I am sharing this venue. And I am also a teacher serving the students for the past 20 years. It's my pleasure to welcome all of you to this wonderful program. I feel honored to convene the session with a number of eminent speakers coming together to share their experiences and knowledge with you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Prashant sir. Thank you very much. Now, with this, we have come to an end of this inaugural session. May I call upon Dr. Dilip KJ, Professor, College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Government Medical College, Alappuzha, to offer vote of thanks. Dilip sir, over to you.
Thank you, Rajesh. Beloved Professor Chandrasekharan sir, respected Sudharan sir, and all other respected teachers, dignitaries, and dear delegates. COPS Global is a group of successful pharmacy professionals working in various countries around the globe. And what unites us is the College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Government Medical College, Trivandrum, Kerala. We are happy to organize an international webinar series, Pharma Fair, to impart a professional orientation to all the pharmacy students in our state of Kerala. We believe this is the first of its kind, targeting the students and to make their career a better thing. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Soni Paulos, the chairman of Global, for the welcome address, and Sri Thomas Paul, the general secretary, and the originator of COPS Global for the introductory address. Our program is inaugurated on this Teachers' Day by our beloved Professor A.K. Chandrasekharan sir, former professor and head, College of Pharmaceutical Sciences. He is always there with us in all our professional endeavors, and on behalf of COPS Global, I extend our gratitude to you, sir. Dr. C.R. Sudharan Nair sir, retired professor and head, College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, and our great teacher, has felicitated this program, and on behalf of COPS Global, I extend our gratitude to you, sir, for your inspiring words on this special day. Dr. Joyma Varki, the present professor and head, College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, is always guiding us in all our professional activities. Even though Madam was unable to join us today, I extend our gratitude to you, Madam, for your immense support and guidance. Next, I would like to extend our gratitude to Dr. Rajasri R.S., Dean Pharmacy, Kerala University of Health Sciences, Kerala, for the encouraging words and support. I would like to extend our sincere thanks to Sri Jayan PM, Deputy Drugs Controller, Kerala, for felicitating this program. On behalf of all of us present here, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to Dr. Prashant S.S., convener of Global, for his relentless efforts for making this program a grand success. Next, on behalf of COPS Global, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to all the honorable speakers and moderators in this webinar series. I would like to express our gratitude to all the delegates for their participation to make this webinar a grand success. This is a teamwork. Each and every member of our organizing team is working hard for the past few weeks to make this program successful. Once again, on behalf of COPS Global, thank you everyone for making it a great success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dilip sir. Thank you.